Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hopefully you guys have a happy, safe, and fulfilling Thanksgiving. With all the prices and crazy stuff going on right now, supply chain issues, things are going to be a little bit tough. In some cases, they may be getting things for those loved ones, what you want for Christmas. I wanted to offer my own little spin on Black Friday for today. On Thanksgiving Day today and Black Friday tomorrow, within those 2 days, if you order my book, How to Make a Monster, in either paperback or hardcover, it doesn't make any difference, you will receive a Mission First Tactical custom Legally Owned America magazine. This is a standard capacity magazine, again, made by Mission First Tactical, with my own logo on the side of it. All you have to do is order one of the books. Now, this is going to be for the first 25 people because obviously supplies are limited. I order these things in the hundreds, and this is about the last one. I think I have about 27 left, to be honest with you. So again, order my book, receive a magazine over the next couple days. Now again, please understand, it's for the first 25. Let's call it 27 because I do have, I think, 27 of these magazines. After that, they will not be available. I will actually post on this post when the magazines are no longer available because I do not want to give the impression that I'm trying to bait anybody into buying the book when there are, in fact, no more magazines left. So if you will, if you're late purchasing the book from howtomakamonster.com today or tomorrow, it's only good for Thanksgiving and Black Friday. If you're late or you feel like you're a little bit behind, please go check the post that you saw this on to make sure, because I will update that post and say all magazines are gone. So please do that, guys. I don't want to make this thing look deceptive. But nevertheless, the prices are still the same. You can get your paperback book or your hardcover, and it's a beautiful thing. You have something to give to somebody. I have a pretty good stock of supplies of books. We reordered a couple of weeks ago in preparation for Christmas, so definitely have plenty of these. So even if you don't get the magazine, still get in on the book. It's a great stocking stuffer. It's a great book on the truth about the gun control enterprise out there and how it's trying to milk the American people, and that they truly don't care about killings, rampage killings, and things like that because they profit so immensely off of that. That goes for the gun control group.